Mahal yung pansyong lang yan. Ang baho naman.
Madam Speaker, how is the energy on the floor in Chicago this week?
Well, it is great to join you today from Chicago. I am at the Democratic National Convention as a delegate for Kamala Harris, and it has been absolutely electrifying. We are literally thrilled to the news.
Preston. Daddy, pangit. Daddy. Can you say daddy? Oh.
Aray.
Lagot.
Not funny.
Lagot.
Not nice.
Lagot.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear mommy. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, kiss mommy, kiss mommy. Kiss mommy.
Thank you. Love you, baby. Happy birthday, mommy. Happy birthday, mommy. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, mommy. Blow your candle. Ooh, very good. Kiss mo si mommy. Bye-bye. Say bye. Bye. Flying kiss, mommy. Lapadi. Saya naman ang batang yan. Pinakpok niya yung salamin. Bye! Lagyan mo na ng gas yung car mo, Preston. Upo na dito. Sit down na dito, please. Drive ka na, drive. Vroom, vroom, baba. Vroom, vroom, baba. Oh. Dito na, Preston. Ay, nako, madumi yan. Preston. Ton. Ton, ton. Digi, 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 digi. Digi, 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 digi. Preston. Bye, Daddy. Wala na, Daddy. Pasok na sa work. galing yung Preston naman. It's time to go home. It's time to go home. It's time to go home. It's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye. See you again. Goodbye, goodbye. See you again. Preston. Yeah. Yeah. Gaya. Waiting ka kay Daddy, Preston? Ha? Ay, ito si Daddy. Asan?
Daddy!
Asan? Asan si Daddy? Aray.
Wago!
Asan Daddy? Tawag mo si Daddy. Call Daddy, Preston.
Daddy!
Call Daddy. Andiyan na yun. Darating na yun. Daddy. Preston. Happy birthday, Preston. Ayun si Daddy. Preston. Lapa? Lapa? Andiyan. Ay! Hornets! Hornets! Bye, Daddy! Say bye-bye, Daddy! Bye, Daddy! Bye-bye na si Daddy! Dog. Boy. Boy. Banana. Banana.
Baba.
Boy. Shoes. Fish. Dog. T-shirt. Where's the t-shirt? That's a pants. Pants. T-shirt. Where's the dinosaurs? Rawr. Rawr. Whoa. Kalig? Kalig ng bata? Ligo ka na naman.
Do I look like a Dorothy? Named Oscar the Crab, and I don't like being watered.
Yung nahulog.
No, I'm not. I'm crabby. Just like Oscar the Crab. Now scram!
The shepherd's never gonna find Dorothy. Well, you can't give up, Elmo. You just need another clue. What's something else you can remember about Dorothy? Let us see. What she's orange. Come on, help me. Look, an octopus playing an octobane. And some oysters singing opera. Octopus starts
Oh,
with the
oh,
letter O.
octopus.
And the R sound.
Say oh. Preston, oh. Oh.
Listen, that otter is playing the ocarina.
Oh, oh, oh.
An otter is an animal that
Otter.
the letter O.
Ayun na si Otter.
An ox playing the O-O oboe. Oboe begins with the letter O and makes the O sound.
Oh, sound.
Together, the animals and their instruments form an ocean orchestra. I love the letter O. The letter O.
Smart cookies, a tough batch of home-baked heroes. There's the tech genius, Bigby, Miss Fortune, Chapowski, and the rookie, Cookie Monster. Hello! Together, they have one mission, to stop the crumbs.
What kind of board can work with water? Checkerboard!
Ano, ligo na?
Tapos na.
Ano? Silly Willy. Oy, ligo na, bata. Ayun. Sige, enjoy mo pa yung watermelon mo. Mag-swimming ka sa watermelon. Ang galing. Galing talaga ng tatay.
Ganap.
Ang linis na po. Ang batang mo, watermelon. Bata! Preston!
Paterno pa kayo ni mami mo ah.
Ah! Preston! Don!
So I'm going to do cartwheels and group.
Ha! Kiss mommy. Kiss mommy. Shooting in the air. Bye. Preston, love you. Kiss mommy. Owie. Lapot ka dyan, nakalapot.
Dalawa ko.
Ayun na sila yung 20.
Ayun na, susunod.
Go! Preston, go! Dance! Yeah! Tut 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 tut. Wow naman! Thank you, Daddy! May pasalubong si Daddy. Laptop? Ha? You love it, Preston? Yeah, 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 yeah. Mama Chup Chup, Preston. Tinutulungan mo si Daddy. Madulas ka, anak. Ayan na. Sit down ka na dyan sa pati mo. Potty! Sit down, Preston. Sit down. Okay na, panak. Potty! Potty! Preston! Potty! 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 Hindi ganyan! Preston!
Sisira yun. Sit down. Oh, tanggalin yung short. Tanggalin. Tanggalin natin short mo. Tanggalin natin short mo. Tanggalin. Teka lang, tanggalin natin yung short mo. Yan, tanggalin natin ito. Diyan ka na iihi, ah. Diyan ka na, tai. Yan.
Oh, flash mo na, flash.
Flash.
Paano pa flash ni Preston?
Yan, diyan ka na tatai, ah. Pareho tayo. Nakita mo, be. Tatai.
Dalhin mo doon.
Dito tayo, dito.
Oh, go to Daddy.
Tabi tayo.
Uy!
Move.
Oh, nauntog.
Saan?
Sa kanto. Dito.
Puka dyan, Preston na, Daddy, oh. Tignan mo. Preston na. Ay, walang puwan. Preston na, Daddy, oh, po, oh. Puka din dyan. Hindi po.
Sit down.
Baliktad. Hindi ganyan. Anak. Puka din dyan, po. Yan. Po, Billy Preston na.
Look at Daddy, oh. G.
Hi. Let's play.
M.
Say M. K.
Says A. Says
A. Preston A.
Says O. G. Says G.
Preston G.
G.
Preston G.
O.
is Daddy?
Daddy.
Call Daddy.
Daddy.
Call Daddy, Preston. Call Daddy. Daddy. Sabi mo, Daddy. 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 Car. It's a blue car. Blue car. Say car, Preston. Beep, beep. Pretending to drive a car. Oh, yum, yum na, dali. Duck. Quack, quack. Is that a duck? Say yes. Yes. It's a yellow duck. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Eat banana. Yum, yum, banana. Can you do that, Preston? Go! Okay, Preston. Flash mo na, flash. Flash mo na, flash. Wow! Ball. Uh-oh. It's okay, it's okay. Oh, oh! Kiss mo si Mami. Kiss mo. One more, one more. Kiss Mommy. Kiss Mommy. Kiss Mommy. Sarap. Sarap. Bye. Bye ka na. Bye bye. 2, 3. One more. Ito hindi pa natutulog. Oh, excited. Yun, nagkukalkal na siya. Binuksan na niya yung kanyang ano. What's that, Preston?
ABC Commercial Juice Blender.
Tupuan niya. Ay, Preston, na chair mo, oh. Wow! Sit down, sit down. Tignan mo muna, baka mali-mali yung mga ilagay. Baka pala...
Para sa
Pag
ano,
ganun-
kuhan nito.
Hindi, I mean yung baka bali-bali ko yung mailagay mo ba?
Isa lang yun, hindi siya ano yun. Sukat talaga siya yun. Hindi siya ganun. Hindi siya mapapasok.
Gyro.
Hindi naman pala mga ano eh.
Ano?
Yung wala naman palang maliit na ano eh.
Ano?
Walang maliit
Yung babagay?
Akin na yun, Preston.
Give it to Daddy, Preston. Give to Daddy.
Give it to Daddy ko na. Eh, hindi yun nunupuan. Wait lang! Yung battery ba? Teka lang! Baby! Ano ba?
Dito yata yun, be.
Titignan ko muna kung may battery.
Wow! May projector pa si Preston. Hello? Hello, Mommy.
Give me 5. Laro! Kami sa akin. Bingo. No coaching.
Oh, sit down na muna first. Sit down. Dali na, kick the ball, Preston. Ayun na yung ball mo, oh. Kick the ball. Kick the ball, Preston.
Punta pa tayo ng ano, di ba? Carrefour.
Carrefour, oo. Tsaka sa Lulu. Punta tayo sa Carrefour, tsaka sa Lulu, be.
Point!
Tigs! Pagpag na, bilis. Yan. Where's the ball, Preston? Ay, yung puwet niya, be, oh.
Uh-oh. Pagpag mo, pagpag. Very good, galing. Person.
Ah, da. Preston, oh.
Mami.
Preston, oh. Oh, Preston, oh. Ni Mami, oh. Preston. Ooh. Ayan, kick the ball, Mami. Oh, Preston, oh. Kick the ball, Preston. Kick the ball.
Yes, tinakbo mo. Not yours. Not yours. Ayun, pull mo. Ayun ang pull mo. Ayun, kunin mo yung pull mo. Bili. Nihigaw na.
Nihingal na sa katabaan. Ala, kaya niya. Ang galing. Hindi siya nadadaos-dos. Cute.
Go down, Mami.
Ayan, huwag mong bitawan. Ayan. Good job, Don. Yay! One more. Exercise niya. Cute.
Ay, pawak.
Diyan mo siya. Diyan ka lang sa likod niya.
O, tayo. gumapang.
Oop! Ha? Diyan tayo? White. Color white. Uh-oh. Up. Uh-oh, watch out, watch out. Oh. Kiss mo ko. Kiss. Mami, kiss. Kiss mami. Kiss mami. Wah. Where is your head? Hair. Hair. Oh, that's my hair. Where's your eyes? Where's your nose? Mouth. Where's your mouth? Mouth. Where is your eyes? Eyes. Eyes. Ears. Ears. Say ears. Where is your toes? Toes. Where's your toes? Where is your head? Where is your fingers? Fingers. Where's your hands? Hands. Where's your hands? Bye. Flying kiss.
Good, nice. Huh? Oh, sige na. Love mo si Daddy. Ano ba yan? Babe, gusto mong buksan.
Gigil. May gigil.
Ano ba yan? Ano ba yan?
Madulas ka dyan, nak. Oh, see? 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 Yan. Ano naman yan? Sama mo siya sa pagpalinis mo. Sama mo.
Manual yun. Naiisip ko nga, manilis ako, matagal ka.
Pretend lang, Preston. What's that? Ice cream? Ice cream. Is that ice cream? Show it to mommy. Can I see? Ah, yum yum. Can I see your ice cream, Preston? Siya, ka kaya natutok. Preston! Sit ka lang, Raiden. Raiden, that's Preston and Anika. Preston! Oh, lagot ka kay Daddy. May awi ka. Lagot. Daddy, si Preston may awi. Oh no. Ay, nako. No. Later. It's okay, Preston. Just watch Kuya. Oh, just watch Kuya. Di ba ang drama? Emotional itong batang siya. Hindi natin pilitin. Hindi na pilitin. Ika, press the gentle hands, please.
You want to blow?
Oh, may laway pa. Oh, no. Oh, no. Hello.
Sino yan?
Daddy? Oh, wait for your turn. Wait for Kuya Ethan. No, Kuya Ethan first. Preston, wait for your turn, please. Okay, it's your turn now. After Kuya. Yee! Go there. Preston, go. Slide it, Kuya Ethan.
More toys.
Wow! More toys. I love toys. We love toys. We love toys. Crocodile. Ethan. Just watch. See? So nice. Oh, wow. Oh. Ika. Hello, Ate Ika. Si Preston. Oh no, it's not working. I'll help you. Thank you, Daddy. Oh wow, nice. Pwede na, pwede na. Ikaw na din mag-vacuum. See, Daddy, Preston can clean. Thank you. What's that?
It's a
You have a lot of eggs. Is that an egg? Kuya Ethan? Ito, konti lang din yung...
Sa una, si Ethan gabi, pag kita mga agaw, may mayadan ako sa
Ganyan lang rin siya. Kahit na sumakasakit sa mga playground. Mapadami na tawa. Alay siya.
saan na lang nagiging boy. Sabi ko kayo,
Stop making noise.
Kasi siya. One more person, go. Ba nagustuhan? Oh. Good job.
Ready?
Set. Go! Good job, Don. Tita Sa. Mong braso. Can you show it to Mommy? Where's Mickey Mouse, Preston?
go!
Preston! Can I see? Okay. Turn your back. Turn your back. Come on. Wow! Good. Gano'n niyo. Wow!
Wow!
Wow! Say wow, Preston. Wow! Wow! You can do it. Oh. 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 You need help? Help? Help, Preston, help. Ask. Uh-oh. See? Go to Daddy. Say, Daddy, I need your help. Go to Daddy. Okay din. Mabala ko.
Party time.
Party time.
When you listen to your body and stop and go use the potty, you are ready for underwear. This is one way to sign underwear. You might be used to wearing a diaper, but underwear is different. You need to keep it clean and dry. How do you do that? Listen to your body. When you need to go potty, stop what you're doing and go use the potty.
Akit ka bahay ka? Akit bahay? Akit bahay ka ba? Ano akitin mo dyan? Ano akitin mo dyan? For car?
Go.
Go!
Go.
Oh. Oh, tignan mo. Sirko. Oh, ah! Wow! Uy, ingay. Tawagin si Yaya. Yaya.
Oh,
Yaya. Tawagin si Yaya. Yaya. Count 1 to 10.
3.
Hey, Google. Aray! Hey, Google again.
Count.
1,
1,
2,
2, 3,
4,
5, 6, 7, 8,
9, 10.
Oo, naman yung tonton ko. Ay, hindi pala, hindi. Hindi pala kawawa. Hindi pala. Ayaw mo na? Ayaw mo na? Ha? Bakit? Kawawa naman, oh. Banana cute. Banana cute.
Hinanap nila kayo po tapos sa sapa.
Ilang beses kayo sumakay ng lupa. Tapos,
Wow! Thank you, Daddy.
Namipin mo ang tusok mo. Ang tusok.
Sir, sabi niya, sir.
Lakit, sir! Lakit, sir! Lakit niyo po! Sir, ba't ang likot-likot niyo po? Bawal po malikot dito! Pumahulog kita.
Ayusin mo naman yung pajama niya.
Lagyan pa kita. Lagyan pa kita. Saan pa? Saan pa gusto mo? Chan, wala ka naman si Chan. Niloko mo ako eh. Dito sa singit mo. Halika. Lagyan kita. Lagyan kita dito. Yan. Ito na lagyan. Huwag mo na tanggalin. Yan.
Tap-tap mo lang.
Masahe, sir. Masahe. Tanggalin na lang natin yan. Tanggalin natin yan. May wala naman sa dibdib. Niloloko mo ko.
Kunyari, lagyan mo na lang.
Lagyan kita sa dibdib.
Oh, wow, ninja! Dahil na ninja! Oo, untog ka, Preston. Mababump yung head mo dun, oh. Ang kulit.
See you again. Goodbye. Goodbye. Ooh. Ano, di ka na dito. Awi? Awi. Kasi ikaw may kasalanan yan eh. Uli ka na. Lagay mo ito doon, Preston. Put it there. Doon. Lagay mo doon, sa lagayan nito. Ito! Hindi yan!
Ayun, yung unan mo.
Lagay mo doon. Hindi! Ay! Ito, doon!
Lagay. Boosh! Ay, ikaw siliwili ka na naman dyan Boosh! 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 Ay, Preston, pag ikaw mauntog ha.
Diyan ka lang ha, huwag dito ha. Diyan, doon ka lang, doon.
Doon ka daw kay Daddy, punta ka doon.
Dito. Uy.
Ay, dito ka pupunta ka niya. Dito sa gitna. Oh my gosh. Yun, awi! Ano, napagod?
Oo, yan, dyan. Lagay mo ito doon.
Oh!
Realize niya ano yung nagawa niya.
Stop! Again, Preston, dance! Chuggy chuggy chug song. Chuggy 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 chug that song. Stop! Faster, Preston!
I'm touching myself tonight. You're not Francis. You're probably thinking, my boyfriend said this was a superhero movie. And then it just turned out I am fucking clown. Well, I may be super. I gotta take you back to long before I squeeze this ass into red spandex. Look, my hope I slow down for you. I do know where it's at. Is this 73848 Redwood Drive? Are you Mr. Merchant? You Mr. Merchant? You do the corner. Now fucking I need to place the call.
Preston. Preston.
Sweet and salty. What the fuck are you? The fuck you doing, my friend? I hope not. I don't want to look. This about that poker game. I told Howie. I told him that. Sir, before you play the game, I'm gonna figure out a detail. Jared, wait, listen. That's not business. Go. Take your chair. I'm here for you. Too loud, guys. Big time blood on me. Not out of the woods yet. You need to seriously ease up under the gas. Your jeans, not a chandelier. Yes, you gotta give it to me.
Hey, just look, that might sound.
I will shoot your fucking cat. God, me too. First. Hey, I ain't taking any grades in money, right? Make sure that gets back to mid-7.
Where's Bluey?
You sure?
What's that?
Just a little late.
Which one is that?
Way worse than Kevin.
Bluey! Bingo! Mom! Dad! Dad! Where's Daddy? Oh! Galing!
Where's Mommy?
galing naman mag-color. Ay, very good naman si Bluey. Ay, si Preston. Oh. Ang galing naman ni Tonton.
This form looks good.
We earn our paycheck. But Bob Casey drove up the cost of everything we buy.
Now Casey wants to spend on free for illegal immigrants.
And he voted to give him
Pauso talaga siya. Oo, sige.
Casey is putting illegals ahead of Pennsylvanians. We've had enough of his radical ideas. It's time to fire Bob Casey.
Tanggalin mo na, Bea.
Fire Bob Casey. He's still in fact is responsible for the content.
Weekdays on WG.
Ay, natanggal yung airplane. Airplane. Huwag mo tanggalin yung pakpak. Wala, natanggal na yung pakpak ng airplane. Wala na. Tinanggal.
Tawag mo, Daddy. Hello, sabi mo, Daddy. Make another one, Daddy. puro masakit.
CJ, how does this affect you? Na alam mo ba ng rare disease? Kamusta yung kumpiyansa sa
Sabi mo yung...
Nilalakasan ko po para hindi ko masyadong masaktan.
Ayun. Ibig naman ang sabi ng doktor, hindi ka naman I mean, okay naman yan. Hindi siya
delikado, hassle lang.
Oo, hassle lang talaga. Pero hindi siya delikadong sakit.
Kahit anong sakit, dapat iwas ka sa stress talaga.
Oo.
Huwag mong damdamin yung mga bagay. Kasi nagagamot naman at nagagawa naman ang paraan ngayon, CJ.
Kamusta po kayo ngayon, Mommy and CJ? Kamusta ang dynamic sa bahay?
So, ganun pa rin naman po. Kailangan kasi ipakita ko sa kanya. Kasi iba pa, kasi totoo sa may doctor, iba yung
Cool.
Parang ang galing
You can
ko,
do it.
parang doon sa pero
Cool.
ito yung resulta, parang ganun, diba? So, hindi ko na siya kailangan ako pa rin. Kaya dito na siya pupunta, hindi dapat.
Help?
Dahil bilang bata siya, huwag mong pigilan yung, may sakit ka, dyan ka lang, huwag kang gagalaw, huwag kang, hindi dapat ganun. So, dapat tigil mo siya ng
One more.
One more kiss mo, Daddy.
One more. Hug,